Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Othello Classic. Let's begin with the game setup. The Othello board is an 8x8 grid, totaling 64 squares. Each of the two players receives 32 discs, one side black and the other white. To start, 2 black discs and 2 white discs are placed in the 4 central squares, forming a diagonal pattern. One player will play as black, the other as white. Now, let's talk about making a move. Players take turns placing one disc of their color on an empty square. A move is only valid if it outflanks one or more of your opponent's discs. Outflanking means placing your disc so that a straight line of your opponent's discs is bordered by one of your existing discs and your newly placed disc. All outflanked discs are then flipped to your color. It's crucial to remember that every valid move must result in at least one of your opponent's discs being flipped. If a player cannot make any valid move, they must pass their turn, and the other player continues. A key strategy involves securing the corner squares, as discs placed there can never be outflanked. Controlling the edges and corners gives you a significant advantage. The game concludes when neither player can make a valid move, which most often occurs when all 64 squares on the board are filled. Once the game ends, players count the number of discs of their color on the board. The player who has the majority of their colored discs on the board is declared the winner. It's a simple and satisfying way to determine victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.